Hi, I'm Dan. This is your Land Pride Service Minute. Did you know on your SC40 and SC70 skid cutters, your blades have two cutting edges that can be utilized? When changing directions on your SC40 series skid cutter, please consult your operator's manual. On your SC70 series blade, it as well has two cutting edges. To reverse the operation of it, you'll simply need to remove the mounting bolt and flip the blade over. Also, when you're torquing the blade on the SC70 series, it will need to be torqued to 375 foot-pounds. Be sure when you're replacing the blades on either unit that you have the skid cutter up on a solid platform and the hydraulic hoses removed. I'm Dan, and this is your Land Pride Service Minute.